Artist Electronics here. I made a switch from left to right, as you can see here. But I really tried, but I couldn't succeed with this simulator. But what I represent here is I'm switching left and right the entire chip. But here in the simulator, it doesn't really let me switch the power of the chip. So it's having always one pin on as high and the rest are off as low in a B state mode, either high or low, which really doesn't is not like in reality. But so I kind of represent here that this left and right switch is going to the power of the chip, but is not really doing it here in the simulator. Only in reality it will switch the positive or the negative pin of the IC. But this is the idea pretty much, and you get the idea. Here in the simulator, to actually simulate the switching sense rotation from left to right, let me actually show it. Let me actually draw it. So from left to right, like this. So this is left, this is right. Okay, or like this, or from right to left. And all right, I've included this, which they are called dip switch, and I can turn them off all at once, and I really tried to switch from the clock to switch the clock, and I put a simple switch. This switch, I put what I put. I put relay. Yes, I put a relay. I've tried many, but it's always uh, uh, in a B state mode, and is not doing what I want. And trust me, it's not good. So this is the best way I could find to simulate the thing. Is a bit hard to do it, but I'm only showing. It is possible to do it. That's what I'm showing right now. It is possible to simulate the sync. Let me actually make it full screen. Let's play the simulation. Right now it's playing from a right. What I did, I've added these two switches. One switch from here and another switch from there to select this switch. So here, this switch is not selected, but now it's selected. I'm looking here on this. When this is high, then that side, this sector, this module is selected here, the last one. So, but when I'm switching, the others are selected, and right now this one is selected without looking. That's the point. So let's actually do some switching. Right now it is selected on the last one, and if I'm doing the switch, we can see the motor here. So let me switch it again, and all right, and as you could see, is turning from. So this is right, this is left, left. So it's running like this, like this. Okay, let's let's do it again. Yes, right. And right now we will make it run the other sense like this. So now I'm switching. It's a bit weird, but it is working. And now it will go the other sense, as you can see. Is switching the other sense. So pretty much this is it. What I actually did, I inversed the outputs. I put two counters, as you can see. I put these two counters, 4070A and 4070B, two ICs. But the lines, let me show the simulations, the lines are inversed. Fourth output here, number 4 goes to 1, number 3 goes to 2, number 2 goes to 3, and number 1 goes to 4, pretty much. And while here 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4. So this is counting normally. This A chip is counting normally, but this is actually counting because of the wiring. He is counting normally, but the wiring is inverse. So pretty much this counter is counting inverse, in inverse mode. Pretty much this is it. Not much to say about it. It is working. It's a bit funny how to switch it. Let me show it again. Switching on the other side, and right. It's not selected right now. It is selected, and you can see it's turning this side. Let me switch it. Hopefully, while is it? I managed to switch it while it's running. Let's do it again. Whack, zack. Yeah, yeah. All right. So yeah, this is it. Thank you very much.